used professional varnish, and I was very happy about that. But then I bought another one, also professional, and I started to use it, and then I got these crackles. It doesn't look so bad because it could be part of your art project. Whenever you give it to someone or sell it, people didn't know what exactly you expect to show through your art. But when I actually got these crackles, I was shocked, and I use like proper techniques to put it on the top of my painting, and even here, look. And I covered again and again, and it's something went wrong. So still, in the end, it's not bad, because it gives some kind of like impression, different one impression on your piece of art. But what's actually interesting, I found that this is a medium, not just varnish, which you add to your paints. You're not covering on the top. Or if you cover on the top, you have to use a very, very, very thin layer. Like, very gentle layer. Again, it could be what you want. You want something like, looking like old style or whatever. But it's up to you. But at the same time, just be careful.